Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am fine too. Welcome you all to NIVS Homeschool. This is Mahmudur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take an English class for the students of class 6. I will take English first paper for today's class, and our today's topic is lesson 9. Okay, at first let's see the board. This is the class for the students of class 6, subject English first paper, topic lesson 9, term half yearly, lecture number 7. I repeat again, this is your lecture number 7 and your HW number 5, and your today's HW will be exercise number E1. Teacher Mahmudur Rahman, and this is my mobile number 01735 852285. Okay, let's start. Today we will learn two topics. At first, passage reading. We will read a passage, then we will solve question and answer. There are some questions from this passage of your textbook lesson 9, and we will answer the questions. Read the text. A proverb says, health is wealth. To keep healthy is to keep fit, free from disease and anxiety. Good health is proper functioning of all body organs. It is also feeling well both in body and in mind. People in good health are active, cheerful and happy. If you are healthy, you can be happy and can help others in society as well. To keep in good health, we should be careful about hygiene. The rules and practices of keeping good health are called hygiene. We must practice the rules of hygiene. Proper food and nutrition, physical exercise, rest and sleep, cleanliness and proper medical care are essential for good health. The next page, some important rules of good personal health are as follows. At first we have learned what is a good health and what is hygiene. Now we will learn some personal health rules. Number A, balanced diet. Our food should contain correct proportion of carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamins, minerals and water in it. We know that there are 6 essential elements that our body needs. These are the essential elements, and in a balanced diet all the essential elements are stored in correct proportion. Number B, personal hygiene. We should follow the personal health practices such as number 1, wash your hands before eating. Number 2, bath regularly and wear clean clothes. Number 3, brush your teeth twice regularly. Number 4, do not let your nails grow long. Cut them regularly. And then number 5, wash your feet and hands before going to bed. So you have to follow all these things as your personal hygiene to maintain a good health. Number C, cleaning household. We should keep our household and environment clean. Number D, taking clean food and water. Our food should be fresh, clean and properly cooked, and water should be pure. Number E, taking regular exercise. We should take part in games and sports and take physical exercise regularly. And number 4F, taking regular sleep and rest. We should sleep properly and take proper rest. So all these are rules and practices to keep our body strong and healthy. These are the rules of being healthy. Now we will see some questions there in exercise E1. There are 4 questions. Number 1, what do we mean by hygiene? Number 2, what are essential for good health? Number 3, what do we mean by balanced diet? Number 4, what are the rules of personal hygiene? Now we will answer these questions. Number 1, what do we mean by hygiene? Answer: hygiene means the rules and practices of keeping good health. Number 2, what are essential for good health? Answer: proper food and nutrition, physical exercise, rest and sleep, cleanliness and proper medicare are essential for good health. We have just read this definition of good health and the essential things. Number 3, what do we mean by balanced diet? Answer: by balanced diet, we mean that the food we eat should contain correct proportion of carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamins, mineral and water. And the final question is, what are the rules of personal hygiene? The answer is, the rules of personal hygiene are to wash hands before eating, to bath regularly and wear clean clothes, to brush teeth regularly, to there's a mistake. Okay. To cut nails regularly, and the final one, to wash feet and hands before going to bed. So these are the 4 questions. Dear students, exercise number E will be your homework for this class, your homework number 5. So my dear students, I think that you have understood today's lesson quite well. This discussion was about good health, how can we make our health good, how can we take preparation, what is balanced diet and what is hygiene. So if you have any further question, you contact with me, and for your better understanding must read your textbook. Okay, so attend your online classes and watch the YouTube class. Submit your homework on Saturday from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.